Today we're out here at Cypress Springs. Here in the Northwest Florida Panhandle, it's one of the gyms that a lot of the locals love to go to. And in this video, you can tell by this beautiful, clear, and serene natural place that there's just nothing like it anywhere else. Out of all the places that I love to kayak, this is one of my favorite. I tend to go here during the week and not during the summertime because this place has actually become quite populated and is a great destination for not just locals but also tourists of the same kind. Here you'll see some gorgeous underwater footage of some of the clearest water you'll find in the Panhandle. This water is also used as bottling water for drinking water by the company Nestle. This underwater environment that you're viewing now is actually some of the most beautiful. It's actually right at the opening or mouth of the spring, and it's quite amazing. It's an alien environment almost, so to speak. So take a moment and indulge yourself and just relax and watch the serene beauty of this underwater paradise. Cypress Springs is an awesome place to come to just to reflect on nature. and just get away from it all. I don't recommend coming on the weekends, especially during the summer or the fall, due to the large crowds. But if you can come during the week, you can overcome these crowds, and usually you'll be the only one there, especially if you come early. But if the only time you have to come is on the weekends, then go ahead and come, because you don't want to miss this beautiful natural wonder in the Florida Panhandle. hope you enjoyed this video of gorgeous Cypress Springs, Florida, located in Vernon, Florida, off of Holmes Creek. If you did, and you happen to show up and visit this gorgeous springs, please leave it as you found it. Bring all your trash out with you. And for more information about this and more springs and places to kayak, please follow Earth Trips YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.